What's going on, guys? T Blake here, and today we're going to be checking out the upcoming Black Friday release. I got sent out a pair early from Finish Line of the red all over. Remember when Red October was like the thing? After that Yeezy 2 drop came out, all red shoes had the Red October nickname and everyone was buying stuff. Like, people were buying Victor Cruz's all red shoe because it looked like a Yeezy. But is the hype over on all red shoes? I don't think so. Now this is a colorway that we've actually seen as a player exclusive in the past. I'm going to show you them up close, give you some details about sizing and fit in case you're unfamiliar. This is your first time buying a Jordan Retro 12, and I'll also let you know where you can purchase these. First thing you should know is they have been going, and Jordan brand, they've been going kind of back with some of the OG inspired boxes, so it will come in the Jordan 12 box that we've been used to with the last couple of drops. All right, so for this Jordan 12 release, you're gonna notice there's some nubuck, so very, very fine nubuck here. People might think it's suede, it's actually nubuck. My favorite thing about the Jordan 12 is the mud guard, and there's not too much to say about the sneaker when it comes to being red all over. They did do a nice metallic red, kind of reminiscent of one of the earlier Foamposite drops from this year, both on the eyelets and right above the mud guard here.
You've got the 23 in black with the Jordan pull tab here with the black Jumpman on the back.
Unlike other releases where they'll have the faux looking carbon fiber, they just said we're not even gonna make it look faux, we're just gonna keep it black. It has a kind of weird texture to it as well. Traction, nothing we haven't seen before on a Jordan 12 retro model. So guys, as we take a look on foot, it'll be available at Finish Line as well as some other retailers, so if you want to purchase them, you can follow Kicks Under Cost or myself on Twitter. We'll always post those direct links. For sizing, they fit very true to size. If you have a wider foot, I do recommend going a half size up. Overall, I think it doesn't quite capture the magic, so to speak, of some of the Black Friday releases we've seen in the past. But a red all over sneaker that has in the past been a player exclusive, like I mentioned before, finally coming to retail is pretty cool, but obviously not for everyone. If you guys enjoy this video, you can leave a thumbs up on it. T Blake signing out. Peace, guys.